who will be the head of this Parañaque Patriots.
Both teams still scoreless here in the early goings of the game. Philip Manalang coming on over from Nueva Ecija. Paulo Castro has been with this.
That will, alam mo yun, yung will just do kung ano yung mga kaya niya.
But the score inside of the drive by Philip Manalang. BBL, he gives it up though. Cuevas bumps into the defense of Jello Razon and able to score on the break is Jasper Cuevas. Too strong. No numbers here for Parañaque. Castro will still take it all the way for two.
The system is young with the young players as well. Alam mo yun, but you know, in time, just given a chance, let it develop, let this...
Shot clock here for Parañaque. They swing it to the left. Manalang to redeem himself. Why not? Oh, ayaw mo naman pahiyain yung mga tao na pumunta here all the way despite the sweltering heat outside. Makoy Marcos though connects on the outside there for Muntinlupa. The change of scenery. But for Jamal Vizcara, it's the complete opposite. JP Sarao making a move inside, gets the 2 points.
Talaga si JP that low. Medyo mahirap ng pigil, medyo mahirap ng itulak eh.
Marcos goes inside. That's 2 points for the CSB Blazer. Definitely will be watching some of your games.
Yeah, especially right now. That's the evolution of basketball. Everything's based on concept. So you take what...
Who didn't really have a steady outside shot early in his career, connecting from the outside.
Oo. At importante yun.
Especially that he's playing the guard all from the field. His only points coming from the free throw line. 0 out of 4 from the outside. As you see him get the putback right there, that's 2 points more. Hot start so far that they have, that they are looking to win this season. Sombero beats Martel to the cup.
Yeah, and gave up.
Gonzalez at JRU.
Kaya we know it's gonna be a quality one. So, alam mo yung battle of minds right now.
Boy Marcos, who is playing for practically their rival in the NCAA, making a good account of himself right here. But now, you know, that's the evolution of the game. That's what the beauty of everybody being friends, that makakuha ka ng bagong knowledge when you play
their offense there.
I actually have not seen a lot of triangle offense for Parañaque so far in this game, but that is a great play by the Patriots, finding John Oduba inside. This play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. Villanueva bottled up by the defense, but locating John Oduba on the cut.
And this is what I'm saying, Javi. We just started, pero grabe na yung aralan ng mga teams natin.
No good. Pido ahead to Jello Razon. That's a tough make, but he still is able to get the 2 points plus the foul. He went down with an ACL injury that sidelined him for the rest of the season. Coming back, this all for him.
Oo, and ang maganda dito kasi na-release na yung pressure kay Jello na, because before parang easy leaders ni Coach Mike Sagigit eh.
He misses, but Markey is there. Offensive rebound. The putback is good on the chance of defense here inside Olivares College. James Batak able to get 2 points.
Breaking the press nitong Muntinlupa.
Razon, couple of dribbles, pulls up from the elbow. That's pure for Jello Razon. Whole career. 30 to 28 is the score. Parañaque gets it across. Yee on the reverse. That's good. Philip Manalang with the basketball. A three-pointer. That is good. In yung home court, di ka magaganahan na maglaro.
Oo.
And there you go, Philip Manalang riding the adrenaline brought about by the crowd. Is, you know, for the regular folk. Pero nakikita natin, ang dami na rin matangkad na Pinoy ngayon eh. Makoy Marcos able to drain it from the outside.
Oo, I think best.
Okay. James Batak goes inside, gets a step on the defense, and scores with a layup. A lot about Philip Manalang's speed.
Oo. And what's impressive with Philip is he does it with a...
Marcos pulls back, goes inside. Josh Giab, fake, and the basket, and one para kay Josh Giab. Shot clock winding down. Who's going to take this for Muntinlupa? Longalong will. Longalong on the finger roll. Basket plus the foul.
Again, you're gonna...
Lang pastar. No one is outshining the other, but instead everyone is helping each other to shine as a team. Back to you guys.
All right, on cue with game. Asidre falling away, gets the bounce on the jumper.
And you know, I always say this.
Back to Nico. Gonzalez has to take it. Shot a little bit too strong. Josh Giab gets easy pickings down low. 5.
Yeah, lead down to 2.
Uduba.
Great
Stretch,
one.
rip, and score. Trouble on the sideline. Giab. Back to Nico. Gonzalez, the Pinoy step. He will score. Marcos drives past Razon. Marcos could not get the finger roll to go. Marge De Leon, 3-point play opportunity.
Oo, alam mo yun, yung game management nila, yung every time malaking bagay talaga yun eh. So, hindi natin sila nararamdaman. At
Court they go. Castro, the bounce pass to Marquis. He will take it and make it.
That's big. Nagkaiba nung paano natin pinag-usapan yung kay Ryan Suwal kanina.
At Muntinlupa, it's a basket right there. 6 minutes, 15 seconds remaining in the game. Asidre with a hand in his face. Off to the right. Batak fall away jumper is good. He's on that possession for Parañaque, but Razon comes up with a steal. Castro with it, rises, gets the 2 points. Manalang free for 3, rattles it home. Philip Manalang delivering the goods to 53. Crowd rocking it here inside the venue as Josh Giab silences them. Philip Manalang will waste some of the clock. Villanueva, though, that's a quick trigger, and that's good for John Ray Villanueva. Rotation so far here para kay Coach Mike Sagigit. We now enter the final 2 minutes, brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. At the start of our season, while Parañaque, nasabi na nga natin kanina, 4th straight victory tonight at the hands of Coach Mixon Ramos and company.